folks, on a previous episode of You Can't See My Face, I was working on this metal plate here. What this is I'm using it basically, I'm going to attach a bar on here somehow, or back here, or whatever, I don't know. But I'm using this as an anchor point, an anchor onto here. And what I'm going to be doing is cutting a template for right here. So I will, put this down here, and I will tinker on camera. And you can watch what I'm doing. I'm going to put this where you can see it. The reason why I'm doing this, if you haven't watched one of my other videos, the reason why I'm tinkering with this right now is because I'm trying to make a kitchen bench, and I need a nice, smooth, accurate way to cut it. And I need a quick way to just lock it in my bench. So I'm going to be making, a plate, just to drop it in here and bolt it on. And I can just take it off after and get it out of the way. So keep watching. I'll show you what I'm doing. So now anyway, I need what the hell did I just do? Yeah, of course I'm screwing this shit up. Wrong button. Okay, now what I'm doing here is I'm using an old piece of cardboard I got at Hoarder Freight. I'm just going to cut it to any particular length here. I don't need a bigger piece. Don't need a giant piece. So I'm just going to cut a little square off here. See that? You can use trash. It always pays off to keep some pieces of cardboard. So what I'm trying to do is get a template for on here. So if I go like this, cut it like that. So now I got this kind of locked into there, and I'm guessing maybe cut it off right here. Okay. And I don't need that much right here. So yeah, basically I could probably lop off straight across here. So I got a little piece of template thing here. I don't think I needed to go that far, so I could probably lop it off right about here. Right there. That'd be good. Maybe a little less. There we go. Maybe a little straighter would be good, but oh well. So anyway, that's decent enough. Probably should just trim it back just a wee bit. There we go. So there. Now I have this piece. I'll make the metal plate like this, and I'll drill a hole through it. I'll do two of them. I gotta make two exact ones. This, see, I'd use my metal shear, but this is too big for the shear. So I'll draw it on here. I'll make two of them. I'll cut them out with the other bandsaw, and I'll come back and I'll show you what I got. It should work on both sides. Perfect. What I'm going to do later on is, after I get the metal plates on here, I'm going to go outside, leave it on here, and I'm just going to put a spot weld on each side real quick. And then I'll just spot weld, put one weld. I'll cover this up with tape or something, and I'll just weld it. So stay tuned and stay there. Yeah, welcome to the Bob Ross Art channel. Yeah, right. Yeah, Christ. What? Get in there. There's that one. You can kind of see it. And I'll cut this one on this side. Just like that. Now, I'm going to go lop this off on the bandsaw, and I'll grind it up, and I'll show you when I come back. So, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I need some more subscribers. So, hello folks, it's me again, and what I did was I rough cut these pieces out. Now I'm going to grind the edges down and get them exactly where I want. And it should work out good. A little bit of grinding, I gotta cut that piece off a little bit. So I'll show you the finished product in a minute. I just finished making this. There's a double one in there. You can see it. I'm just gonna deburr it real quick. Sometimes I like using a hand file better because you can get more precise, I find, with a hand file. That's gonna be it. Let's see, like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just trying to get it a little bit even. Trying to get the little lip bit left in there off. See this thing. There's a little tiny lip in there. Right here, it's. I don't want to slice my finger on this shit. Nothing like slicing your finger open on Friday night because you forgot to deburr the whole damn thing. So yeah, let's just put this here. Looks like it's pretty good. See, there's still a little bit of lip. I'll take this off here. This is my Seymour Smith vice grips. Vintage pair. Yeah, I'll take this off here. Take all the little birdie parts off. Anything that's going to cut my finger, I want it gone. It's good in there. It's good in there. Like the grinder does pretty good, but I don't have I have just a rough grinding edge on there, so I haven't bought a smoother grinding disc for the other ones yet. It's on my bucket list of, yeah, go get another $30 or $40 grinding disc and put it on there. I don't even know how much they cost anymore. I haven't bought one in ages. Make sure it's nice and smooth. See, there's like a lip that was on there. You grind it, it makes that little lip thing. There we go. Not quite. Still some little sharp edges on there. I want it nice and smooth. I don't want these super sharp edges. See, there's a little bit of a sharp edge on there too. Let's see. There we go, that's getting it. There's something over here too. It's good in there. See, I feel that. I want it like rounded. There we go. That should be good enough. This has got something in my finger on that one. Almost. See, there's little burrs in here. Yeah, seems like it's good. So anyway, now we're done that. What I'm planning on doing with these things is, let's see. I don't know if you can see this right here. Made these pieces that go right in here. So technically, I don't know if you can see in here, but I'm going to weld this in place. Then I'm going to weld that in place right there. I'll probably put 2 washers in there first. And then what I'll do is I'll make a top piece to go on here. I might bend a heavy bracket or something. I'll put like maybe a flat bar in there or something right up in here. Weld it across. But one thing at a time. So, but now, see, the question is do I get the holes lined up. They don't have to be perfect, but they do need to be. Well, I shouldn't say they don't need to be perfect, because they do need to be perfect. So what I need to do is basically like this, and take my hole punch, my, what do you call it? Transfer punch set, and see if I can get that working in there. Let me go get it. It's back here. Now, believe it or not, thanks to YouTube, I learned this thing exists. Transfer punches. I mean, I know everything about woodwork and metalwork, but for what? $9 you can buy a set of these things. Here we go. So I'll go like this, and basically gotta see, make a dot in there. Shit. Gotta somehow transfer punch this thing on here. Maybe if I put a block under there somehow. Hold on. Let me get back to you on this one.